anybody for everybody. You trust anybody for your life. You'll be free for everybody. You trust everybody for your life. What is happening to you? What is life you fighting? What is happening to you? What is fighting you fighting? Don't trust anybody for your life. Don't trust anybody for your life. See any human being. Yes, don't worry. You got everything to life. Take your time for the time. You can watch the more returns of you. Save your life. I say save your life. Who blinking you for the time? What is happening to be rich? You get a meditation of Christ. You know the time to get it. Everything you will cry for you will come to you. You try. I see wanna rise. There are many people to blind their life to fight against the youth of power. Nobody to try to see. He killing you everything. Now you wake up. You wake up for your life. Only God protect you. Don't believe anybody for your life. Don't believe anybody for your life.